Hey guys, we are back. Tigrinya Tuesday. I wanted to say how much we miss you guys. I hope you miss us. I'm Semret Russom.
I'm Robert.
And these are our children, if you can see them, Delina and Pepper. We are back with another Tigrinya Tuesday. Super excited to have you guys. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. I want to say welcome to all my subscribers and to our new potential subscribers. Welcome, and please subscribe. Also hit the bell button so every Tuesday and every Thursday we upload videos so you don't miss it out. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, Delu? Are you excited?
She's excited.
She's ready for Tigrinya Tuesday. All right, let's get into the program, you guys. All right, you guys, welcome back. We are gonna get into the program. Today, we're gonna share with you guys our favorite things that we do. It's our family walk. Are you ready?
Yes. Owa.
Ooh, yes.
Ooh.
Get back into the program.
Ooh.
Okay? It's Tigrinya Tuesday.
Owa.
Ooh.
Uwe.
All right, you guys. So I'm gonna say the English and the Tigrinya, and you are going to. Robert is gonna repeat the Tigrinya part.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yes. Owa.
Ooh. Okay. Walk is tezawire.
Tesawire. Tesawire.
And walking is beigri mahad.
Beigri mahad.
Family is sidrabit.
Family. Sidrabet.
Yes. Grass, sa'ari.
Saari.
Yes. Pon, raha.
Raha.
Also, you guys, I don't know this word, so if I'm not saying pon right, let us know the real, description of it in English. In Tigrinya, sorry. Shoes, chama.
Sha'ama.
Okay, exercise,
Exercise.
sportenya.
Sportenya. Oh, she's reading one.
Oh, good job, Delina. She's ready. Oh, hi, Del.
Are you gonna eat it? Okay. Sportenya.
Sportenya.
Is exercise.
Exercise. Dog, kelbi. Wait, where's Pepper?
Kelby, she's right here.
Pepper.
She's taking nap.
Yes. Color, memher kelbi.
Memher Kelby.
Fun, waza.
Fun. Waza.
Yes. And
Walks are
if
fun.
yeah, I don't know, maybe that is not the correct pronunciation or saying it in Tigrinya, so please let me know the right one. Snack is ta'mut.
Snack is ta'amot. Ta'amot.
Yes. Water, mai.
That's an easy one. I know that one.
Yeah. Rest, RFT.
RFT.
Yes.
Rest
Water,
is important.
konetat, ayer.
Weather is konetat ayer.
Air is ayer.
Ayer.
Yes. Park is menafesha.
Menafesha.
Stroller is tezawari.
Tezawari.
So if a stroller is not the correct way in Tigrinya, please let us know, okay? So I don't know how to say stroller in Tigrinya. Anyways, hat kobe.
Kobe.
Yeah.
Kobe.
Kobe. All right, guys. Up next, I'm going to teach Robert a few sentences. Are you ready?
Yeah. Owa.
Tua. The weather is beautiful in San Diego. Kunetat ayer,
Konetat ayer.
San Diego.
Hold on. San Diego.
Yes. Is that supposed to be funny?
Konetat ayer San Diego.
Yes. Bita'ami
Beta ami
tubo iyu.
tsupo iu.
Okay. Walking is a great way to spend time with family. Be'igri mechad misidrabit.
Beigri mekad. Beigri mekad.
Mis
Miss
sidrabit.
Sidrabet.
Tubo
Tsupo
gizye
gizye
yebeka.
yehebeka.
That was good.
Yeah.
Let's get out of the house.
Let's get out of the house. Okay. How do you say that?
Na'anai
Na'anai
kabgeza
kabgeza
nutza.
nutza.
Okay, the best thing in life are free.
The best things in life are free.
Hiwet
Hiwet
Abhiwet.
Abhiwet.
Iti deszibil.
Iti deszibil.
Genzeb.
Genzeb.
Zekefalo. Kefalelu.
Wait.
Zekefalelu.
Okay. Zekafelelu. Zekafelelu.
EU.
EU.
Since we didn't add that, so we say EU at the
Is
end.
that good?
Yeah. All right, you guys. Now I'm gonna quiz Robil, on a walking quiz. Are you ready?
Owa.
Oh, what? How do you say walk?
Walk. Tesawere.
Uh-huh. How do you say walking?
Beigri mahad.
Good job.
Yes.
How do you say-
Beigri. I need to practice.
Oh my
Beigri mahad.
Drama. How do you say family?
Family sidra or sidrabit.
Yes. How do you say
What?
shoes?
Shoes. Kap chama.
Jama. How do you say
What's that?
grass?
Grass. Saeri. Saeri.
Saadi.
Saeri.
How do you
Saeri.
say exercise?
I don't know. Oh, exercise. I didn't know what that was.
It's like
Exercise sportena. Sportenia.
Yes. How do you say stroller?
Stroller. Tezawari.
Yes. How do you say air?
Ayer.
Ayer. How do you say park?
Park. Menafesha.
Yes.
Menafesha.
Good job. Yep.
All right.
Fisha. We are under Nafisha. How do you say fun?
Fun. Waza.
How do you say rest?
Rest. RFT.
Yes. How do you say snack?
Snack. Ta'amat. Ta'amat. Tamat. Tamat. Ta'amat. Is that right or wrong? Ta'amut.
Yes.
Ta'amut. Snack.
Snack.
Let's go have a snack.
That's right.
right.
We're ready for snack.
Kunetat ayer San Diego. Supo EU.
Yes. High five, Bill.
Behigrahad mahad. Miss Sidrebetka. Gezeya Yebeheka.
That's right. Easier. Abhiwet.
Abhiwet.
Iti deszibil.
Iti deszibil.
Genzeb ze wahabalu.
Genzeb zewahabalu.
EU.
EU.
Yes.
The best things in life are free.
All right, guys, this is it for us. A walk with our family. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Also, leave us a comment if you want us to bring you more contents like this. But we are all done. And the reason why we do these videos are to kind of share with you guys. But truly, when you do spend time with your family, just on a walk, it gives you time to kind of connect with one another. So don't forget to do that. And maybe next time, if you do walk with your family, leave us a comment. How was that? Did you like that?
I loved it.
All right, guys. Ciao. Thank you.
Bye.